Welcome guys. Uh, we discussed about the composite figures. Now see I will just recall some of the points. Now composite means uh, a combination of two or more figures. For example, this is a rectangle A, rectangle B. When this rectangle A placed above rectangle B, then we have a composite figure. So that means two here, two separate figures join to make a composite figures. Composite figures also we can find out. I mean composite figures also can be used to find the perimeter of them. For example, of course, the perimeter is the surrounding, right? So we can find out the surrounding of this composite figure. And if you're finding the area, you have to separately find out. For this one, this is length into breadth, and for this one again length into breadth, and then you add to find the area for the composite figures. Okay, there's the main points. There are two main points. One is to find the perimeter. Perimeter is easy, that you just find the surrounding. And the other one is area. Area means if you if you can cut this into two pieces of individual figures as before, like rectangle A, rectangle B, or else maybe you can cut a small this one and then three figures. But if you have less number of figures, it will be easy for you. And also the availability, the easily availability of the length. Okay, never mind. Let's see this example. For example, we start from this A and 10, and we know this is a rectangle, so 4, therefore this will be 4. And we don't know this one, but we know this is 2, therefore this is also equal, so this is 2. And then this one, since we know 4 here, this is 8, so 4 minus 8, 8 minus 4 will be 4 here, so 6. And then this one and this one equal 4, and this we know this is 10, so 10 minus 6 minus 2 will be 2, right? So that means 6 minus 10 minus 8, so it will be 2 again. So this is 2 and then 4. So you can just find out. See, make sure that you go along the line so that you cover all the surrounding. Okay, you will not miss anything. If you don't know the value, try to find. If it is a horizontal line, try to find out, try to compare these horizontal parts with the horizontal measurements that's available. If it is a vertical line, compare the vertical measurements which is available. Okay, that's the only. Now likewise you find and 4 and 2, and then you can add all the surrounding to find the perimeter, right? And now this one. Now to find area, I said just divide the composite figures as the simple ones, like rectangles. So rectangle A, you know this length into breadth 40, length into breadth again 6 into 4, and then you add them. All right, now this one, find the perimeter and area of the following figure. Now see this one, for example, first perimeter, right? From here A to B is 7, B to C 5, C to D 3, and this one they have given the 3 here, so this is 3, but we don't know this one. But let's see the horizontal measurement. AB, we know AB is 7 and this is 3, so 7 minus 3, this is 4, so we know it's 4. And then this length is vertical, right? We know the whole vertical this side is 5, and we know this is 3, so 5 minus 3 we can find out this, therefore we can find all the surrounding and then add them to find perimeter. Okay, now area. If it is area, let's separate from this side, this way. Let's separate from E to this way to the towards 5, that is BC. So you will have a rectangle that is 7, and then the length is 7 and breadth is 5 minus 3, 2, right? So 7 So this one will be 14. That means 7 times 4 length into breadth. Now this one is 3 into 3. So this is a square. So this is a square and a rectangle. So you rectangle area formula is length into breadth, and square is length into length. So 3 into 3 is 9. 7 times 2 14. So 14 plus 9 will be the area for that L-like structure. Now they have explained it. Now for A, you can even label like A and B. For A is a rectangle, so length 14. So B, okay, all right. And I told you you can even cut from here. That's, I mean, it's okay. The answer will be same. Look, this is 23 and 23. So it's totally fine. All right, that's all the highlights. Okay, thank you very much.